everyone, today's video is again dedicated to all the women out there. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss on how to cure PCOD using law of attraction or how you can get your monthly periods naturally. I have personally used this technique and it worked for me, so I'm sharing this wonderful information with all my sisters out there. So, as I begin my every law of attraction technique using breathing, I recommend you to use the same. So here I am asking all the ladies out there to practice breathing exercise. You can practice along with me, or you can pause my video, or you can download it or do anything, but you need to practice this for sure. Now, what this breathing exercise does is it makes our mind and body to be relaxed. You know, in today's world, we women are leading a very stressful lifestyle. If we get a breakup, we begin to stress out. If our child comes late from school, again we get stressed out, right? If our bills goes higher, again we get stressed. So in short, we women has made stress as our best friend. Write comment below if you too was like me. So my friends, my question to you guys is, what is the need of making stress as your best friend, which can cause a lot of trouble to your health? But I'm here no, so worry not. I can definitely help you guys to stay away from stress and to control your PCOD in a very normal manner. So now what you need to do is you need to practice the breathing exercise. So the question is how to practice. It is very simple, guys. It is going to give you massive benefits. So how? First, you guys have to find a very calm area in your apartment where nobody can disturb you. You yourself can take the amount of time you want, because you only knows how much time you need to de-stress, right? So what you need to do is you have to inhale from your left nostril and you have to exhale through this right nostril, and do this vice versa. That is inhaling from your right nostril and exhaling through this left nostril. While doing this, make sure you are in a positive state of mind. You should not be like, will I get my periods? Will I become periods naturally? No, this is not going to be make anything fine for you. All you need to do is de-stress yourself. That is the reason why I am asking you to practice this breathing exercise. And the second method is drink lots of water. And actually this is the first step that you need to do before practicing the breathing exercise. I would personally recommend you to drink the water, because you all know that the 90% of our body is filled with water, right? So drink water, make your body as balanced, make your body cool, and then de-stress yourself using this breathing exercise. Once done with breathing exercise, then I want you guys to close your eyes and see yourself in a frame where you are moving to your washroom, and find out that you are periods and you are jumping out of happiness. You are coming with a huge smile from washroom, opening your closet and taking your sanitary pad, and again moving to washroom. You are very happy that, oh my god, was struggling to get my periods naturally. Today is the day I became periods. Now you have to feel it, see it, enjoy the moment, enjoy that particular moment. That we say no, when we are not getting something, we will be always in the energy of lack. Now we have to remove that energy of lack, and you have to introduce the energy of abundance over there. While you are doing this, you have to live in the present moment that you are periods. What will happen? what sort of emotion will come from your mind when you are seeing that you are period naturally? What sort of emotion comes? You'll become happy, right? You're not taking any pills, you are not doing anything, you have become naturally, you're getting your periods naturally, right? So you automatically become happy. That is the sort of emotion that you need to bring it on your face. You need to increase your emotion. That is the sort of feeling that I want you to bring. Okay, so now, while you have felt it, saw it, and while you have enjoyed the moment, now of be there for 5 to 10 to 20 minutes over there, and then let it go. The letting go is the most important part in our manifestation process, because after practicing visualization, you will be still continue to think that will it I become? No, you should not doubt on the process. If you still continue to think about it, universe will definitely feel that you are not having it. Remember, this law of attraction always works in the principle of what you are not or what you want. Suppose if you are manifesting your periods to come now and thinking, will this work? What would happen if this too won't work? Something like that, okay? Instead, if you believe that getting period is naturally to you and you are experiencing it right now, makes it work more easier to you. My friends, universe always want to give you everything you need, but it's we who doesn't believe in it and makes our manifestation process to be delayed after each and every day. So practice this visualization process. Must have faith that you are going to win over this PCOD or PCOS or hormonal imbalance. Believe that it is going to work for you, and then let it go. Become fully engaged in the work which you are doing right now and manifest your periods or menstrual cycle naturally. I have posted affirmation of faith in my website, and the link to it is provided in the description box. By practicing this affirmation, it will increase the faith or the belief in you that this is going to work for you. Please do check it out. The link will be provided in the description box. Okay, so until we meet next time, this is bye from Krish, bye from manifestationdreamedc.com. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay tuned. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment to this video. Bye bye.